welcome back to Glad Cuddles.
Yes.
So leave it, Raka Chakra. Okay. Now we have invented a game we both. So we are going to share it with you guys. Let's play it together. So where should I keep this camera? No. Where should I keep it, Kyra? Should I keep it here? We both would be visible. Simple. थोड़ा सा उधर बैठ जाओ please. Hey Rabba, are you old? Okay, we both are visible, right? Just stop eating, I'll kill you.
Want some?
You're mad. How can we give it chips in the video? Whatever. Let me open my head. No, it's okay.
Let I'm finished with this.
Just finish it fast, Kyra. She's so slow. So in the game, I'll teach you the game till she is doing whatever. Let me teach you a game. So in that game, basically there is one thing, and that thingy is. Can you hear the beat? So this is one beat. We'll just repeat this beat. This is only the game, and we just have to speak some names. So first two beats will happen. Like now the game will start. So my name is Kritvi. So I will say Kritvi first, and then somebody else's game. So for example, there is a circle of 10 people. So one is Mia, Tia, Nia, Gia, Chia, whatever. So for example, I'm Mia. So I will do. I'm starting, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Mia, Kyra. So if my name would be Mia, so I would be like. So my name is Kritvi. So I will do it. I'll give the turn to Kyra. Okay. Kritvi, Kyra.
Kyra, Kritvi.
Then Kyra will do Kyra, Kritvi. It is not important to do to speak only one person's name. You can speak anybody's name if that person is in the car. I know you didn't understood, so let me make you understand.
Show a demo.
Yeah, show a demo by showing a demo. So just like the video if you can see, if you're not blind, whatever. And let's start. Okay, who is starting, Kyra? Should I start?
3, 2,
1, go. Kritvi, Kyra.
Kyra, Kritvi.
Kritvi, Kyra.
Kyra, Kritvi.
Kritvi, Kyra.
Kyra, Kritvi.
Kritvi, Kyra.
Kyra, Kritvi.
Kritvi, Kyra. Out! She is out. If she leaves, like if she don't speak or did the wrong action, she did Kritvi like that. Don't do it wrong, then you will be the losers.
Yo, what's up, boys? I'm ball.
This is the Cloud Cuddles channel, so get out. Whatever. Let's start it. Now it's the main round. Let's check who will win. And this is Kyan Batla, who is a personal assistant, means a photographer. He's doing nothing.
I'm chilling in the house with
I don't care. We don't care actually. Okay. Now let me get my Punjabi tikka here. Now let's play the main round. So let's check who wins. We'll play 10 to 15 rounds till our own don't come. Okay, let's play. Should we play 2 minutes touch-up time? Okay. If you want to put lip gloss, lip balm, something, I'll just do my hair.
I didn't got lip gloss. I got Laneige, but sweet candy.
I got nothing, and see my hair. Too cringy right now. And open my hair.
Children, I don't have my takata.
Just kidding. I'll just set my hair. Open your hair, Kyra.
I don't wanna.
Feeling. Ouch. We got too much homework in the school, you know. Are you mad or what?
Why? You know why we are having this? Because we didn't eat any food in the school.
Yeah, the food was disgusting, but the pancake was good for me. And you are seeing some hand movements being occurred. So Kian Batla can do HF on Roblox is doing that. Make him a friend. And me, Rose 812802. And Kara, Pro Kara 672.
Do you know how did Kara got a name that is 678? At that time,
I don't
there
know
was
what's this trend of 6-7. Okay, I have Robux and I have lots of God and I even have 6-7. So if you want that, if you want to steal my brain rot, then come to steal a brain rot every 6 p.m. every Saturday. And make me just get lost, you liar. Okay, I even have gods, I even have Robux I can give you, and you can even steal my brain rot if I toggle. So
Can you tell me my
make me a friend.
guys,
Okay, my ID is Rose 812802.
guys, I'm the best leader brainrot player here. I
Oh,
have secret OG strawberry and for meows. What do you want?
I want Robux. His reaction is like whatever. Let's get to the main part. Touch up हो गया. Kara, see the manner you are doing. Keep your leg there. I'm telling you. No, I don't want to talk to you. I'm stopping the video. And keep your leg. Now, guys, let's play the main game. I took away her. अरे कायरा थोड़ा वीडियो में आना ही या नहीं आना? लैपटॉप इधर ही रहेगा. Just come here. Okay, so let's start. हम 10 मैचेस खेलेंगे, देखते हैं कौन जीता.
Okay, can I just have water? Till then you can smell my perfume. Only one spray. Guys, I have an interesting challenge.
तेरे बालों में डालो.
Guys, I have an interesting challenge. The one who will
तेरा ये लीक क्यों करता है?
that is perfume.
So why is it leaking?
No, I have one challenge. The one who will lose will get water from a spray bottle.
Oh, yeah, best idea. So, Kian Batla, who is a
Show your bottle, show your
photographer, you can say. So, he has a spray bottle. So, whoever gets out,
Eliminated.
eliminated,
10 sprays.
they will get 5, not 10.
10.
Okay, 10 sprays on your
Spray
face.
bottles.
See, this is a spray bottle. Kian, can you do it once, not on me, upside? Upside. Can you do it upside? No, the spray.
Spray.
Not on your mouth.
Okay.
Not on my laptop, please.
Okay then. I'll do it again.
Are you kidding me?
Do it again.
No.
I know.
Can you see it again? Just do it little bit. Oh, you can see it now. I also know. What did you just did, Kian Batla? Don't do it on my laptop, please. Okay, whatever. Let's get to the main part now. After teaching you, after doing some gossip.
Can I also play?
No, in the best carpool channel. This is for a cloud cuddles.
Guys, comment down what is the best editing app.
Get lost, you liar. Let's do the main part. Now I'm going to start. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Arey, you didn't start.
एक मिनट नहीं, अभी नहीं होंगे, पहले 10 राउंड्स होंगे अभी. Guys, this is not fair. I've forgotten. That is not counted. Okay.
Bulakkad.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Krithvi, Kaira.
Kaira, Krithvi.
Krithvi, Kaira.
Kaira, Krithvi.
Krithvi, Kaira.
Kaira, Krithvi.
Krithvi, Kaira.
Kaira, Krithvi.
Krithvi, Kaira.
Kaira, Krithvi. Prithvi.
Krithvi, Krithvi, Kaira, Kaira.
Kaira, Kaira, Prithvi, 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 Prithvi.
Krithvi, Krithvi, Kaira, Kaira.
Oh.
Out! She's out again. Out. Eliminated. So,
Last round. The one who will win.
I'll just kill you. No.
Guys,
Let's do 2 more rounds. One round, if I win, I would be the winner. And if she wins, it would be a tie.
I want to sleep. Bye.
And then, let's do the touch praise on you now. If you want to sleep.
I want to
So, let's play one round. If you lost...
I have an idea.
This is a cloud...
It's a prank on Kaira. It's a
No, I don't want to do a prank on
Call
this.
Kaira Alsi. Like Prithvi, Alsi.
But I'm not.
Everybody calls me Alsi.
Because you're lazy, bro. You're lazy. Now let's do the second round. But in the second round, if you lost, then you will be lost only. And if you win in this round, it would be a tie. Now let's do it. Now it's a twist in this round. Let's add a twist now. Describe. Give me an adjective.
Beautiful.
Okay, it's hard for you and also for me. And I'll give you
No,
answers.
I want to change.
So what?
I want to change. Bulakkar.
Kutha. I will call you old woman. Okay?
No, Alsi बुला
आलसी. ठीक है, बुलक्कड़ आलसी. ठीक है, हम बोलेंगे बुलक्कड़ बुलक्कड़ आलसी 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 बुलक्कड़ बुलक्कड़. So this is the second.
Bulakkar.
Alsi. I don't care. Do that in the Best Carpool channel. Now let's do it. It's our home is about to come and we have to shoot the 3 video. Let's do it fast. 1, 2, 3, go. You will start.
Alsi bulakkar
Bulakkar alsi alsi
Alsi bulakkar
bulakkar bulakkar
Alsi
bulakkar bulakkar alsi alsi.
Out.
Out. तू ऐसे क्या कर रही हो?
You did it.
I won.
Now keep your laptop and all the mirrors on her. And now.
So 10 sprays. 1, 2, 3, first spray. Oh, first spray. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's check. First spray is gonna. Guys, could you see it? The water is splashing towards her. That sprays are done. Subscribe. Yeah. See Halsey's hand, bro, and her reaction. She is wet. So bye, guys.
Kind of wipe it from your jacket.
Okay, bye. This is only for entertainment reason. Bye. Love you guys. Choo-choo. It's time to
But
cooking.
you also did cheating.
What?
तूने पहला round नहीं किया.
I don't care. Bye, guys. Starting.
डाले.
Okay, guys. Bye.